Linda, how old are you?
9 years old.
9 years old. How are you today? How are you?
Happy.
Happy. Are you hungry?
No.
No. Are you tired?
No.
No. Alright, so today we will start our speaking test, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Well, make sure you sit nicely and speak loudly. Okay.
Yes.
Alright. Look at this. Let's start, okay? Which place is this in your house? Which part of the house is this? Is this kitchen? Bedroom? Which part of the house is this?
Living room.
Good. Say it again loudly.
Living room.
Living room, yes. Now, in the living room, what can you see? Where is the chair? Where is the chair?
The chair
Is
in front of the
door. Okay, what's this?
TV.
TV. Where is the TV? The TV is
The TV is in front of the bookshop.
okay, bookshelf. Louder, okay? Go there.
Yes.
Okay, good. Do that, good. Okay, how many trucks do you see? Toy trucks. Car. How many toy car do you see? Trucks. There are.
There are 2 cars.
Okay. What kind of car? This is trucks, right?
Yes.
What are the color?
They are blue and red.
Good. Blue and red. Here. Where is the window?
The window is in the picture in lamp.
Okay. What's this?
Is
Rug
a rug.
or mat. For the rug or mat. Where is the rug? Where is it? Rug. Where is it? Where is the rug?
The rug is
The rug is between
between the
three
tray and chair.
chair. Where are the kids? Where are the kids? The kids are
The kids
on
on
sitting on
the sofa.
sitting on the sofa. What are they doing? They are
They are playing toys.
yeah, they are playing toys. What's this?
It's a lamp.
Lamp. Where is the lamp?
The lamp is next to the window.
Yeah, the lamp is next to the window. Where are the books? Where are the books?
The book is
Oh, the books are
the book
books.
are in front
The
of the
books
book.
are
The
on
books
the
on the
book
on the bookshelf.
bookshelf.
Books
Shelf.
bookshelf.
Shelf. Yes, bookshelf. Okay, here is the part 2. Give me the name of this. Okay, what is this?
Room.
Balloon. One more time. Balloon. Next.
Grapes.
Grapes or grapes?
Grapes.
Good. Here.
Radio.
Radio. Next.
Basketball.
Basketball. Say it again. Basketball.
Rapper.
Rubber. Next.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Eggs.
Egg. Only one egg.
Eggs.
Egg. Okay, give me 4. Choose 4. What do you like? Give me 4. Come on, give it to me. Eyeglasses. Next. Okay. And okay. Last one. Oh yeah, rubber. Put this away. Put this away. Okay, here we go. Put the rubber on the chair. Put the rubber on the chair. Okay, put on the chair here. Okay, next. under, 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 under. Yes, under. Go a little further like this. Under. Okay, last. Put the basketball between the chair and the baby. Okay, now say the elephant.
The elephant is making the lamp.
The rubber.
The rubber is on the tail.
Good.
The basketball
Yes.
is eating the baby and chair.
Okay.
Plastic is
R. The glasses are.
The glasses are under the baby.
Boo. Happy?
Yes.
Yes. Goodbye, Linda.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you